In this video, I'm going to show you how to get code at address using QuickNode RPC in n8n step by step. This is a simple but powerful workflow action if you want to pull contract code from a blockchain address directly inside your automation. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more n8n and automation guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside n8n. You can either start a new workflow or open an existing one that you already have set up. Once you're inside the canvas, you're ready to add the node. Next, go to the Nodes panel. This is where n8n keeps all the available integrations and actions you can use in your workflow. In the search bar, look for QuickNode RPC. When you see it, select it to add it to your workflow. After the node is added, open the operation settings. From the available actions, choose Get Code at Address. This is the option you need when you want to retrieve the smart contract code or code stored at a specific blockchain address. Now it's time to configure what you want. Enter the address you want to check and set any required network or RPC details based on your workflow setup. Make sure everything is entered correctly so the node can return the exact code tied to that address. Once your settings are in place, save the node and run the workflow or test the node to confirm it works. If the address is valid and the configuration is correct, QuickNode RPC will return the code for that address inside n8n. And that's it, you've now learned how to get code at address using QuickNode RPC in n8n. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more quick n8n tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.